Maybe it's too soon, yeah, you know we just met. What I got to lose, gonna send the address. I don't like to wait, so you better not leave me on red.
This is a very exciting package that arrived yesterday. I love this dough, cookie dough brand, and I'm obsessed with the Skinny Confidential. She could come out with anything and I'm just obsessed. So the cookie dough flavor is pink frosting and it's just in the prettiest packaging. I heard the creator of dough say that they wanted the packaging to feel like a beauty brand, and it's cookie dough. And you can also bake it or eat it raw. But in the Skinny Confidential dough collab, it comes with 3 cookie doughs, and I just stuck the other 2 in the freezer because I don't ever eat it fast enough, and it was 3, and I did Google it. You can put it in the freezer. I got another Ice Queen face oil. I got this the day that she dropped this originally, like a year ago, and that one's really fabulous. It comes with this really cute pink little spoon that I've definitely been using already. A cute little note, so cheeky. And then this cute little bag. It says, honey, these are mommy's cookies. And me to my dogs. But yeah, and I love these little bags to take to the store with me, or like the farmer's market, just to have reusable bags. I got the bar sweatshirts. I bought a bunch of bar stuff last summer that wasn't the sweatshirts, like some of her, sorry, Lily's squeaking. Just some of her other capsule wardrobe, but I'm much more of a pastel, Lily! I'm much more of a pastel pink, white kind of girl. And so when she came out with this one and this one, which I adore so much, these are just Skims pink, bubblegum pink boxers. I was really excited to try these because obviously they're like, everyone's talking about them, whatever, but my true test was going to be 2 things. I love things oversized, but I don't even feel like I'm that tall, but I'm 5'8". I have a really long torso, and I have a very hourglass shaped body, so I have a really big butt and like curvy hips and stuff. And so my only issue with sweatshirts, sometimes, like, I feel like the comfort colors do better, but if there's an elastic band that isn't like made to be wider, it like cinches you in more right here, and so it looks silly on like curvy girls like me, versus, you know, or like it'll like ride up, you know what I mean. There are just some sweatshirts that like ride up and they're like oversized, but they're like all tight. This was my true test to see if it would be loose around my hips, and it is. I did get extra larges in both. I think I always get an extra large sweatshirt because I always want it to be oversized. And my other test was going to be the arm length, and everyone rolls them up so cute in these little things, but a regular sweatshirt, I can't really do that because my arms are long. Again, didn't realize I had such long limbs, but I guess I do. And these you can still like pull up over your hands and be cozy, even though I have long arms and they're rolled up twice. So very extra long arms. Which I approve, and I'm very obsessed with these colors, but have to highly recommend. Here's the pink with the white letters. I'm sorry, I'm also doing laundry and I didn't think about that. I never think about like audio and sound quality until it's too late. But again, same size, extra large, rolled up sleeves on the pink one remind me of cotton candy, and the rolled up sleeves on the white one remind me of marshmallows. Anyways, but yeah, very, very cute, very long. Yeah, so.
No, not tonight, 'cause I'm over with some friends, and I'm over sending texts, I really need to feel you.
Okay, so I've literally been holding on to these just to do an unboxing, and I'm not gonna lie that I did already get the journal out, so it is a little bit dirty just because I have been carrying it around in my purse, but it comes in the cutest packaging. Like, if only I needed to keep empty pink boxes around. But it's the Skinny Confidential Can I Get a Fucking Minute little your morning planner. Oh. And it comes with really cute cheeky pink stickers, and just haven't used it yet, but I'm very excited. Love it. Anyways, so I decided this year that I was just gonna have a daily planner and a separate calendar, because the past few years I've just been making my own calendar, and then I'll go to like the post office, or Carter takes it somewhere, prints out all the pages, and gets it binded for me, because I'm really psycho and I'm just like, I want to know what's going on, like for the month, the year, the week, and then I also want to have to-do lists and all of that, and nothing I wanted was like that, so I just made my own. And now this is actually the pink balls. Again, beautiful packaging. It's like a Barbie comes in this. Anyways, and this is just a face massager. It's gonna help snap your face. I also have the ice roller, and I really only use that in the summer because I'm so cold natured. It kills me to use if I'm already cold. But anyways, I think I'm gonna probably keep this in my car so that I can use it on my way to work every morning, to just like habit stack and do that while I'm driving and listening to an audiobook.
In town with cars in the front, you'll probably hear the sound from the roof above.